The School of Nature, a soul wandering in the wilderness. Magic happens when you dare to say goodbye to your comfort zone and hit the road. You come across things that are unknown, you hear the music unheard, you discover the beauty hidden from your very city eyes. All you need is to find some time to start your journey to the destination undefined. Leave the brick walls and conditioned air just for a day and see what happens under the sun. The journey begins. When you take the bus, you don't know your destination. But you have no fear of being lost, because you want to get lost and immerse in places unexplored. You want to see how everything is working and syncing with one another. The bus starts its way forward, and your curiosities rock. You set your eyes outside to have some green. Soon you become overwhelmed as the bus leaves the concrete city. Maybe you have companions with you, or you are just alone wandering and experimenting with this joyous adventure. A gentle breeze touches your cheek, and you start to blush. Putting all your worldly thoughts aside, you feel relaxed, being so close to yourself. While the air becomes busy playing with your unruly hairs, your eyes dive into the green and yellow outside. And you feel that the process of becoming young starts now. You stop the bus and hit the muddy road. The beauty of green and yellow. You are walking now. A camera is hanging from your shoulder, though you hardly use it. You have two powerful eyes to see and appreciate everything around you. While you are in the midst of a jungle of beauty, suddenly, you stop to put off your shoes. You allow your feet to connect to the Mother Earth. Oh, it feels soft, cold, and intense. You close your eyes, stand straight, face up, spread your hands, and take a deep breath. For the first time in many days, you are living a life. One deep breath, 2, and then, 3. You feel relaxed now, no worry about anything. It's just you and nature all around, no depression, past, or future in between. It's your life, it's your feelings, you understand it all. You open your eyes and observe the mustard plants, grass, green cornfields, and the life dancing here in the field. Bees are humming, birds are chirping, and flies are giving you a guard of honor. You click and capture the moment with ecstasy. Then start walking again. The birds and their world. You saw a few herons in some distance. You become conscious and go silently ahead to take a closer look. Hush. No sound. Go slowly, gently, without interrupting the serenity of nature. When you carefully go forward, you found a pond-like place where herons and kingfishers are arguing about their fair shares of fish. You make absolutely no sound and take your camera into action like a sharp sniper. Then you silently level yourself to the ground and observe their movements. How lovely these white birds are! What are they talking about? You start thinking about these lovely questions and comparing your life with the white herons in front of you. And finally, you conclude that you are not the center of everything and your existence doesn't matter much. You and the herons are on the same plate of time.